Hi, some customers ask us how many days after exposure can this product detect a HIV positive sample. Our test can detect out the results in 2 weeks to 4 weeks after being infected. The longer time, the higher accuracy. In this box, there is one cassette and one lancet, one instruction, one buffer, and one alcohol pad. The expiry date is 2 years. We have stock. It is very easy to use. It can be detected by whole blood. You can use at home. We have professional CE certification. If you need, we can send you this certification. Welcome your inquiry us about this product.